I'm going to introduce my client portal system, which is created in Django. And this time, I am going to demonstrate from sign up and Stripe thing and login. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, first let's do sign up procedure. Okay, this is sign up form, and let's get go down like this. And first, let's type in username. Let's say sample user 63, and email address. This will be your email address, and I'm going to put my email address here, and password. And password, you have to decide password. And another one, the same one. And you are gonna look at this one, terms of service, like this. This is a usual stuff. And the privacy policy, again, this is a usual stuff. And refund policy, this is a usual, not so special one. Okay, and going back to this one, and I check it and press this button. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, this password is too short. I put six character password, but this has to be 8 characters, so I change it. 8 characters. Eight characters, and I check it again and press this button. Okay, it got through, and now you are redirected to the Stripe. And actually, I still in a testing mode, so it says sandbox, and this doesn't pay. I don't pay anything about this one, just simulation stuff. And the same email I put here. I put the same email here, and your payment method card is card, credit card. You should type in real number, and this one, and name. Okay, name would be this one, the same as one. Your name here. Anyway, and the country of region, let's say Canada. This one, and save my information for faster. You don't have to check it here. Now let's press subscribe. You also link this sandbox to change according to the terms until you cancel. Okay, subscribe. Processing. Okay, it got through. Then again, you are redirected to the payment successful or failure page, and this is payment successful page. High sample user 63 and email, and I was supposed to pay $10, and the confirmation email was sent to me, so I have to activate that through that link, and you must confirm your email before you log in. So you are going to your email stuff, and okay, let's go to email, this one. Okay, so you have a new email, and this one, and hi sample user 63, and please confirm your email address by clicking the link below. So at this moment, your account is created but not yet activated yet. Let's see. You are not activated. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Right, you are not activated, and now you click this link, okay, then you are activated. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, now you are directed to the login page. Your email has been confirmed. You can now log in, and again you type your username you used, and your password, then you can log in. Okay, you are all set, and welcome sample user admin. So you're at this moment your account is created, and your admin usage story. So according to this one, you have 100 megabytes limit and not yet used, and your clients client created the maximum. So at this moment, the maximum number of clients per admin is set to 5. I'm gonna change this number, but for the moment, let's say it's 5. And the client documents storage usage maximum number of client documents per client 20. So 20 times 5 clients, so 100 documents can be stored in this account, and no documents yet. Okay, so now your account is created, and you can create your new client up to 5, and also you can upload documents for each client. For that, please watch another YouTube video. Okay, now let's log out this one for the moment. Okay, I am logged out. So this is the overview of the my Clip client portal system, which is called Clip. I call it Clip. And so see you on the next video. Goodbye.